So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find 8-digit PIN on Spectrum router, admin login, label and app method. So how to find 8-digit PIN on Spectrum router? Check the sticker on your Spectrum router back or bottom to find the 8-digit WPS PIN printed with the network detail. You can also log into router admin page to this IP or the My Spectrum app to view the WPS PIN in wireless settings. So step 1 is check the router label. Locate your Spectrum Wi-Fi router in your home. Turn the router over or check the back panel carefully. Look for a white or silver sticker that contains network details. On the label, find fields such as WPS pin, device pin or Wi-Fi pin. The number shown next to the label is usually an 8-digit pin used for WPS connection. Write down this pin so you can use it when connection devices. Step 2 is log into the router settings. Connect your phone or computer to the Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge or Safari. In the address bar, type this IP or this IP and press enter. Enter the router admin username and password. These are often printed on the router label. After logging in, go to wireless settings or advanced settings. Select the WPS Wi-Fi protected setup section. The 8-digit WPS pin for your router will be displayed there. Third one is alternative method. Use the Spectrum app. Install and open the My Spectrum app on your smartphone. Sign in using your Spectrum account, email and password. Tap services or internet on the main dashboard. Select your Wi-Fi network or router device from the list. Open advanced setting or router setting. Navigate to WPS setting to check if the 8-digit pin is shown. So fourth one is workaround. Reset the router. If the pin is missing, locate the reset button on the back or bottom of the router. Use a paper clip or SIM ejector tool to press and hold the button. Hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the router light blink. Release the button and wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the router to restart. After the reset, check the router label again for the default 8-digit WPS pin. You can now use this pin to connect device through WPS. Thank you.